okay, you beat Mercy, Monster Shock, Merciless. So was the next year Black Rhino?
No, before Black Rhino was Merciless and Matterhorn together.
Okay, in the ring. And this is when they brought out the ring now.
Matterhorn, Merciless, and Ninjaman.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it was supposed to be like a tag battle where me and Ninja was supposed to go at Merciless and Matterhorn, because Matterhorn team up with Merciless and say, yo, him know how to kill me. That was his talk. Say, me know how to kill KIPRICH. Merciless, you just go for Ninjaman. Me I go kill KIPRICH. Don't worry yourself. And I'm hearing these talk out there. So I mean, so now it become now. This is entertainment now.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this jump out a personal vibe now and thing from, you know what I mean, and Ghana entertainment now, because Matterhorn get involved now and I say, oh, me I go do you this and rare. But who know Matterhorn that? And thing, I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to fix Matterhorn business over there. You know?
But listen to the crazy part about it. Remember at the beginning of the story, you told me your first break was to give Matterhorn a
Matterhorn. Yes. And no Matterhorn say him going to kill me on stage. You know? So all right now, when I hear the thing and Matterhorn say we back up kill me and Merciless for just deal with Ninjaman. Because you know, Merciless when him always get the upper hand over Ninjaman, but I don't know, but somehow it happens, you know, most times. So may I say, all right, if it's a tag war and I allow Merciless to get the upper hand of Ninja, this war can go a different way. I say, I know me go kill Matterhorn. I know that without a doubt. So I know me go kill him. But if it's one-on-one and Merciless getting the far with them from half a Ninjaman, it going to be a harder task now between me and Merciless.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's going to be a longer war and a harder war. You don't know where the crowd going to swing go this time. See? So I say, all right, here what now. Like him said, Merciless say him have ninja ticket. Here what now. Me now go make him and Merciless go at it one-on-one. Me award the two of them.
Mm. Yeah.
So what I miss now, when we get in the ring now and I'm a set to Ninja, say, yo, Ninja, leave this to me. Me award the two of them. And even when Merciless don't want to go the way that Ninja try to talk me, I say, yo, Ninja, leave this to me. Because I see the side, so I go on. So I tell Ninja, I say, just leave it to me. Me will take care of this. So that's what I did, you know. I thought the two of them, I thought both of them, and I saw me, I go in between me and them. I met Ninja go and chill. You know, I mean, I say, all right, for Ninja, feed don't look like it just come up here and just come whatever. Listen, me and you know.
Listen, to me, the Matterhorn and Merciless part was good, but you see, when it started to get serious now was the you and Ninjaman part. You know? Listen.
Yeah, man. Because not even Ninja expected that there. You know, I said, Ninja, come on, let's do this, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And think so, boy, the people have said, no, man, this man are different. So Ninja give me the belt. He took his belt that they gave him for Sting and said, no, KIPRICH, you deserve this. You earned this.
Yeah.
So that's how I got that belt from Ninja as the king of Sting, the king of clashing at Sting.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.